Honda Beat 2023. 4-stroke, single overhead cam, air-cooled, fuel injected, 110cc, 47 by 63.1 mm ang kanyang bore and stroke, 10:1 ang kanyang compression ratio, 6.63 kilowatts at 7,500 RPM ang kanyang maximum power, and 9.3 Nm at 6,000 RPM sa maximum torque. 58.2 km per liter ang kanyang fuel consumption, 80 by 90 by 14 ang kanyang gulong sa unahan, at 90 by 90 by 40 naman sa likod, at parehas na silang tubeless. 90 kilograms ang kanyang timbang, 742 mm naman sa seat height, 147 mm sa ground clearance, at meron na siyang 4.2 liters sa fuel tank capacity. Equipped na siya with combi brake system, USB power outlet, larger fuel tank capacity, at larger underseat capacity. Kayo ba? Anong tingin nyo sa motor na to? Again, this is JZ Vlogs. See you sa next video.